I'm going under, and this time I fear there's no one to save. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. Now the day bleeds into night.